How to make Instagram account private. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now your home page appears. At the bottom, you can find different icons. Tap on this profile icon of yours. Now your profile appears. At the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now over here you will find different options. Go to the option of settings, open it. Now go to this option of privacy, open it. At the top you will find this option of private account. You have to toggle on for this option. Switching to private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This one changes who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. Just tap on switch to private. And now you are good to go. You have just turned your Instagram account to the private account. This is how you make your Instagram account to private. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.